In this video, I'll show you how to share your BeReal post. Welcome back everyone to a new video on Howgenic. If you made a post inside of BeReal and want to share it to other platforms such as Instagram, you can easily do it. What you need to do is just open up the post that you're trying to share, and on the top right of the screen, you'll be able to see this share icon. You can just tap on this option and a bunch of options will open up. You can share it to different platforms such as Instagram, WhatsApp, or other platforms that are available. So just go through these options and then select the one that you want to share to. For example, if you want to share it in your Instagram stories, you can just tap on the stories option. And this post will be automatically linked to your Instagram stories. You can just tap on the your stories option and it will be shared to your Instagram stories. Similar to this, as I said, there are multiple platforms that you can share to. Just pick the one that you want and the post will be shared instantly. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.